Hello folks, this is Tony Mitra on June the 23rd, 2020, and here I am reading another letter to be mailed today to my MP and also Cabinet Minister Ms. Carla Qualtrough, Liberal MP from Delta BC. And this is regarding the e-petition I am trying to raise with the Parliament, the Canadian Parliament. So here's the letter. To Honourable Parliamentarian Carla Qualtrough, Liberal, Delta BC, House of Commons, Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, K1A0A6. This address is one of the three letters I am sending, one to the Parliament in Ottawa, one is to the constituency office of Carla Qualtrough here in Delta BC, because I don't know where she is right now, and the third will be an electronic email that will be sent out today. So, subject: will you please support my e-petition to the Parliament for independent assessment of COVID-19 and the damage done to Canada through this lockdown? Dear Member of Parliament Carla Qualtrough of Delta BC, I write this letter seeking support from you, my MP, for an e-petition I want to create for the Canadian House of Commons to consider initiating an independent assessment of the threat posed by this COVID-19 as well as the scale of damage being inflicted on Canada as a response. The text of the e-petition would say, quote, whereas 1. The level of threat posed by COVID-19 has not been independently and transparently verified in-house by the Canadian government. 2. The degree of socio-economic damage caused by forced closure of normal economic activity and locking healthy people up indoors and segregating people outdoors has not been transparently assessed nor disclosed to the people. 3. Canadians are denied liberty to live a normal life anymore. 4. Media has been encouraged to undertake a round-the-clock, relentless campaign to instill fear of an infection while denying access to any scientist or expert that disagrees with the harshness of this response. 5. All above steps are taken by the Canadian government based almost entirely on advice by unelected non-state groups. We, the undersigned citizens of Canada, call upon the House of Commons to order independent, unbiased, transparent, thorough and verifiable assessment of A. The real level of threat posed by COVID-19, B. The degree of damage done to Canada's economy and social fabric as a response, and C. If the level of response justifies the level of threat with regard to COVID-19. Unquote. The petition will be supported by 5 citizens including myself. It still needs a Member of Parliament to authorize. I am requesting you, Carla Qualtrough, my MP, to agree to authorize it. Should you request any change in the language of the e-petition, please do revert with your suggestion. I do believe these demands are justified in the currently extraordinary situation in our lives. Any action of the government that greatly affects economy, freedom of choice and way of life for all Canadians should be assessed in-house, transparently and seriously first. The media should be asked to project all sides and opinions on this issue, on this serious issue, and not censure views by scientists and experts that do not agree with the government's harsh action. They should not be censoring them. The public as well as government officials and politicians should be exposed to all sides of a nationally critical issue so as to make a balanced decision. So, Honorable Parliamentarian Ms. Carla Qualtrough, are you willing to support my effort by offering to authorize my e-petition? If I receive an affirmative response, I would submit the e-petition with your name in it. If I receive feedback that you are unwilling to support it, I would then look elsewhere and explain why I am asking other MPs for support. Since I have no idea if you are home or in Ottawa, I am sending this note to you three ways: mail to the House of Commons, mail to your constituency office in Delta, and electronic email to you. This matter, in my best judgment, is critical and urgent. I would greatly appreciate a quick response from you, hopefully favorably. Thanking you, Tony Mitra, and my details. That, my dear friends, is one of the letters going out today. This is Tony Mitra signing off.